Okay, let's see if you can hear the sound. Right now I'm accelerating, or just kind of maintaining speed, and you can't really hear it. Now if I take my foot off the accelerator and let myself coast, ready? Okay, and then I'm gonna hit the brakes and show you what that sounds like. You almost hear just like it rubs to a stop. Accelerating now, accelerating. Going around that turn, there was a bump, so I heard it. Occasionally hear it there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly stop so you can hear it. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that.